What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Jubayer IT Tech. Today I am going to start my new playlist videos on programming. So let's start the video. So this is going to a introduction video, introduction to programming. What is programming? Basically, a simple answer would be programming is the act of instructing computers to carry out tasks. It is often referred to as coding. So, we learn about programming. Then, what is computer program? A computer program is a sequence of instructions that the computer executes. The interesting thing is computer do not understand the human's language. Computer have their own natural language like humans do, and the most interesting thing is on computer natural language there is only two numbers, where on humans language there are huge letters and numbers, and the language known as binary or machine language. If you want to learn more about binary number, visit on Wikipedia to learn more about binary number. Link is provided on descriptions. As we know, computer doesn't understand humans' language. Then how computer complete the task? Basically, there is a translator program which is known as compiler. Mainly, a compiler take your source code, then convert it into binary or machine code, and then computer can understand what you are asking. Then computer process his task and complete it, and then return the result to the compiler as a binary code, and compiler convert that binary code to human language. Like this, computer process your task. Now come to the main point. Why we should learn programming? First of all, I want to say a story. One of my favorite teacher, Muhyiddin Mitu sir, always tell us a story that a day will come where all the people of IT sector will be the king of the world, and the common people will be the renter. So from this story, we can understand the importance of learning programming. If you learn programming, it will make your brain sharp and will make you as an extraordinary person, because common people do not understand any program. If you research about the earning of a programmer, then you will find that only programmer can earn highest money, and their lifestyle is so beautiful. I have included the video link about the lifestyle of a Twitter programmer on description box. Now you understand why we should learn programming. So I'm going to finish my video here. On my next video I will start tutorial about basic programming on C++ language. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up my video and comment and share, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell button and select all, so that you don't miss the next video. As well as I say, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching my video.